What's good, everyone? Welcome back to this video. I have here a screen protector for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now, I think, as an investment for anyone who's owning an Apple Ultra Watch or Ultra 2, tempered glass, with some type of titanium alloy frame is a must. And I have here, one from a company called Wristwear. Now, you can get this lightweight touch sensitive covering for your Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2 as of the filming of this video, as of the cost will be $17.99, and they also have a 5% discount code, making this product a little bit up under the $17.99 price tag that's being advertised on this Amazon store website. Now, this product comes in 5 different colorways. You can get this in a titanium, a black, green, orange, and purple frames. With these color choices, you can get up to 8 different combination packages with a single titanium band and a color, or you can get them in 2 of the same colors from the 8 choices that they're offering you on the Amazon website. Again, this only goes for the Ultra and Ultra 2. And some of the technology aboard, it has this ultra upgradable screen from their previous models with anti-bubble technology, so you get less of a chance for bubbling. This comes with a 2 in a package. You get 2 cleaning wipes. You get a 2 screen protectors. You get these 2 little bands that will actually help stable the watch if you're trying to apply this, on a table, or if you want, you can take the bands off and actually attach this particular screen protector. And it does come with 1 squeegee tool, so that's a plus. So again, like I said, you can install this with the band on or the band off. I'm going to try to take the band off to make it a clear installation. So if you want to use this band, like I said, you can pretty much just take one. It's a 2-sided like sticky. You can take one part off, attach it to your table, take the other part off, place the actual watch, let me turn it off, onto the sticky thing so there's no movement at all. Take one of the cleaning. Once you get the surface clean, it does come with some dust absorbers. You get 2 of those in the pack. Alright, once you got that, you choose which one you want. I'm going to go with this aluminum one. Now, the very unique thing about this band that I like is that it actually also fits around the initial framing of the actual screen protector, meaning it's almost like, as you can see, like a little cap that fits over the top of your watch. Peel one side. And it will fit around the actual bezel and base of it. And then, as you can see, as it starts to adhere across like a normal screen protector, take your squeegee and you pretty much just go over the top to get any type of bubble you see out of the way. Now, with any type of screen protector, you're more likely going to have to get if you see a little bit of cloudiness behind there, you may have to give it at least a 24-hour period for any type of little light cloudiness in the corners to go away. But for the most part, they do guarantee that it does go away. So that was pretty much how you do the installation. All right, so after the installation, let's go ahead and just real quick give you a nice quick close-up look of it and just let you see how everything turned out. Nice seal around the crown. Everything looks pretty cool. I like that nice look. Again, you cannot put another type of case over this. Once you have it set up, it would not fit. So think about this if you're going to get one of these. Let's check out the screen sensitivity. Everything seemed to be right on point. So you see there's no problems with me when it comes to the actual touching and moving around and scrolling through just different comments and what have you on this. So this is a pretty good screen protector. Highly recommended. Now let's talk about the actual screen protector itself. Now, like I said, you do get them a couple in the set. The actual screen protector itself is a 9H tested 9H hard tempered glass. It does have a titanium alloy frame that actually matches the watch, or you, like I said, you can get them in various colors to accent the actual watch. So another thing, this is also waterproof, so you don't have to take this off if you're swimming or what have you. The touch sensitivity on the screen is the screen protector itself is like 0.02 millimeter thin. It has this HD glass, so there's no worry about the screen sensitivity and reflection from sunlight. So like I said, it's very easy to install. The total weight of the actual tempered glass and the frame is like 0.04 grams. Now it doesn't make your watch bulky, but it does allow for full coverage and gives you much needed protection for your Ultra watch or your Ultra 2. So I will leave all the links down below for this Wellskin screen protector. Please use my link down below because it does help out the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and be on the lookout for more videos like this. And other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.